Last and the final question of the exercise. So I am given the class interval and the frequencies. This is a continuous frequency distribution. But in that you see that the upper limit and the lower limit of the consecutive lines are not equal. So you have to make them equal. Correct? You remember we did this in exercise 15.1. So you have 33 to 36, 37 to 40. So what do? You subtract 0.5, you add 0.5. You subtract 0.5 and you add 0.5. So what do you get? When you subtract 0.5, you'll have 32.5. To when you add 0.5, I'll have 36.5. When you subtract 0.5, 36.5. When you add 0.5, you have 40.5. Similarly, 40.5, 44.5, 44.5 to 48.5, 48.5 to 52.5. Basically, you have to make the upper limit of the first line and the lower limit of the second line to be equal. Okay. Similarly, it applies to all the other consecutive lines also. Okay. Please be very careful. Continuous and then paranga. So, you have found your new class interval. You need to find out your xi for this. So, this is 36.5 plus 32.5, which will be 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 69. So, I have 69 divided by 2 will be 2 3s are, 2 4s are 5. So, it will be 34.5. Basically, I am adding 2. That is the pattern. Correct? So, I need to find my xi, which is the maximum value plus the minimum value divided by 2. So, this 2 add panna, I will have 38.5, 42.5, 46.5 and 50.5. So these are my xi values. I need to find out what my yi is, which is xi minus a divided by h. What is the middle value? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different rows. So this is my middle value. So my assumed mean is 42.5. And what is my h? The range. You need to consider this, not this. Okay, this is your new class interval. So this will be 36.5 minus 32.5, which is 4. So this is my h. So what is yi? Xi minus a divided by h. A oda value 42.5. So I need to do 42.5 minus 34.5. So this will be 0, 3, 1, 8. So it will be 8.0 divided by 4, which is minus 2. Correct? 34.5 minus 42.5. So it will be a negative value. Then 42 minus 38, which will be minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 4 will be minus 1. 42.5, 42.5, 0. 46 minus 42 is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 50 minus 42 is 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, so you found out what your yi is. Now, fi, yi, then yi square, then fi, yi square. Correct? These are the columns that I need. What is fi, yi? 15 2s are minus 30, minus 17, 20, 0, 22, 25 2s are 50. I need to find the sum of this. I need to find the sum of this. Let me find out the values first. So, yi square. So, I have 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. fi yi square. I need to multiply these two columns. So, 5 4s are 20, 2 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. 17 1s are 17. Then 0, 22, 25 4s are 100. Okay. So, let me add all these. 5 plus 7, 12, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Super. You can simply shift the decimal place to 2 places to your left. fi, yi add panna. I have the negative values to be minus 30 and minus 17, which is minus 47. And what are my positive values? Plus 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 72. So I need to do 72 minus 47, which is 12 minus 7 is 5, 2. So it will be plus 25. Okay. Plus sign is for the greater number, so it will be plus 25. Okay, so this is my fi, yi. Then what is the sum of this? 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Again 9. Then I have 199. Okay. Now let me find out what my mean is. X bar is a, which is the assumed mean, 42.5 plus sigma fi, yi. Sigma fi, yi is the sum of all this, which is 25 divided by sigma fi, which is this 100 times h. What is my h? 4. Okay. So this will be 25 4s are, and this gets cancelled. So I am left with 42.5. This is my mean. Okay. Now I need to find my variance, which is sigma square, which is h square divided by n square. 4 square 16 divided by n square, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Times n times fi, yi. N and 100 times fi, yi square. This column 199 minus 25 square. Okay, please copy the values properly. Find out the tabular column first. In the tabular column, substitute the values. Substitution is very easy. You need to find the right values. Okay. Now, this panna 4 4s are 4 2s are 4 5s are 20, 0 0. Again 4 6 are 24, 1, 4 2s are 8, 2 4 5s are. So 1 by 625. So I am left with 1 by 625, which is 25 square, times 19900 minus 25 into 25 is 625. So what happens when I subtract this? 19900 minus 625. So it will be 1 divided by 625 times 19275. Okay. Now let me simplify. So I have sigma square is 1 by 625. So it will be 19275 divided by 625. 5 table. So 5 3s are 15, 4, 5 8s are 40, 2, 5 5s are 27, 2, 5 5s are. In the இடத்துல 5 1s are 5, 1, 5 2s are 10, 125. Okay. இப்போ again by 5 பண்ணா 5 2s are 10, 5s are. Again 5 7s are 35, 1 5 3s are 15, 1. Now I have 731 divided by 25. 731 divided by 25 enna? 25 3s are 75, so 2s are 50, 3 2 1, 231. 25 times 9, 9 5s are 45, 4 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21 22. So I have 11 minus 5, which is 6.0, 2s are 50. Okay, so it will be 29.2. So the value is 29.2. I need to find my standard deviation, which is square root of 29.2. So it will be somewhere between 5 and 6. Correct? 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So this is somewhere between that. So I need to find that 29.200. So these two and these two. So I have 5 5s are 25, 4 20, 5 2s are 10. So I can do 4 times 4 4 4s are 16, 1 1 4 1s are 4. So I have 400. Then this comes down. I'll have 108. 108 is 0 times 0. So it will be 5.4. Okay. So this is my standard deviation. Here please change the mean value to be 42.5 plus 1 is 43.5. Okay. So this is my mean value. Don't neglect this. You have a plus 1 here. Okay. With this, we are done with exercise 15.2. Okay, let's move on to a new topic in the next video.